Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? Oh na na. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
Hey guys, so today I will be doing another room transformation. This will be a little girl room. Her theme is unicorn and pink purple with a cloud ceiling. So just stay tuned. Let me show y'all how I do it. But before I get started, I am going to show y'all what the rooms are looking like right now. So now that my taping process is complete, I have all my colors marked and let's get to it. Now that I am done my second coat, I am about to begin on the trim. I'm gonna let the paint dry while I do that, and then I can remove the tape. I just want to show you a quick before. So this is the before, this is the after. And I'm going to go from here all the way around. So, yeah. I already did this side. You can see the difference in color. Now that I am done the trim all the way around the room, I am now going to start removing the tape because, yes, it's somewhat dry. This is the room, guys.
So now that I am home, I will put a small clip of how the letters look prior to me receiving them. But honestly, they all just look white and they're wrote them. And I decorated each and every last one of them, like unicorn theme. So this is like a rainbow. This, I have to finish the A, but yes, I painted it with some variations on it. And then the back is just some cardboard, hot glue, some glitter too. I also had these little ears to put right behind here once they dry, but I use regular glue, so it's not going to but it would have been those two. I have a lot. This is like a carousel, so I'm going to show you all how I make this thing. One line, space it out, and I'll put two on this stick right here that I made out of.
So these are 3 skewers, I believe if I'm saying it correctly, but the things that go inside of corn. I had 3 of those hot glued together wrapped them with some yarn. I had to do a little stone on there. Yeah, finished it. I had the U, which I lined up wrapping also with some yarn. And put it on top. So right now, I am currently
looking for the unicorn picture. So this is the unicorn picture I got off of Yuri. And what I did was, I took a piece of paper, I put it up to my strand, and I traced it out, colored it in, whatever color I wanted. And back to these letters, I wanted to show y'all the final result of each and every last one of them. So yes, I'm away. So cute.
I am back at my client's house. Yesterday, I thought I was recording me and my mom putting this bed together. We put this loft bed together and we put the little shelves, a dresser, and a pull-out table. I'll show you everything in a second. But we did that all yesterday. If it wasn't for her, I don't even think I would have got this job done because it wasn't even a one-person job. And I didn't know that prior to asking her. She was just supposed to be company. But with that being said, let me show you guys this bed. We have a loft bed with a desk shelf on that side. We have a dresser. We gotta also put the drawers together. And this, no, she don't go outside yet. We have this desk right here, which is a table. It slides in and out. And it's also a bookshelf in the front. And yes, she has a lot more storage up under her bed. And yes, so right now I'm about to work on the cloud ceiling, and I am just gonna do this section over here. And yeah, y'all, I would record myself, but my phone is about to die, so I'm gonna show y'all the ending result. So yeah, just keep watching.
This is what it's looking like so far. Put some little flowers on the bed. This is the swing. I put some flowers on here as well. All the way through there. And then I'm away.
Clouds.
Goes off your sound. Dun, 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 dun. Bah.
I'm back at my client house. I just installed her swing from the ceiling, guys. I'll put a little small clip up right here on how I did that. Maybe a few before pictures and the after pic. So yes, her mom is going to get her little step stool because as you can see, it's a little high above the floor. And let's get to the TV area. Her little chill area is going to be perfect. And yes, I dyed my hair back black for all of those who are subscribed to my channel. I'll be leaving a video, posting a video anyway, in a few days on that process.
Now that the TV nail is done, it can go both ways, toward the TV, toward the swing, and toward the bed. Next is me changing out the ceiling fan to this nice light right here. More flush to the ceiling and goes a little bit better with the clouds. So yeah, that's next. Let's test it out to see if it works. This is a working light. Pretty magical.
Let me ask you a question. You saying cheese? You're about to see your new bedroom. But do you remember when we asked you, when Builder Girl asked you, what kind of bedroom do you want me to make you? What kind of bedroom did you say you wanted?
A unicorn one.
A unicorn bedroom. All right. So you think you're ready to see your room?
Yes.
Okay. A few more minutes.
We're patiently waiting for Amoy to come upstairs and see her room. Zola's so good. You're so good, my mom.
You can open your eyes, and then when we get to the top, you can close them, okay? So are you ready to see your room, girl? Yeah! Let's do this. Close your eyes. Good job. Good job. I'll open it for you. Wow. Look at your new bedroom, Mama. Do you love it? You gonna get up on the bed?
Okay.
Let's go to the one at the bottom.
Who? Nobody.
Nope, you have a little desk right here.
You have a dresser. She even got you a puppy.
You like your cloud ceiling?
Do you love it? Are you so excited?
You want to play with your remote?
These kids don't be having no emotion. All mine.
Go ahead, push some colors.
You're in control. You are in control. Oh, yes.
See you swing?
You love it? You love your swing? Look at your swing chair.
Try and get down. Come on. Yeah, step on that one. Almost made it. Okay. You liking your swing?
You love it?
Be magical.
Be careful too.
Aw,
That's cute.
I love it.
Me too. I'm so excited.
We definitely was more excited than